My name is Taylor, and I'm going to kayak in a bit, so I don't...
You're so fast! You're so fast, no one can keep up with you! You're almost sailboating with the little, the whale tails.
And yes, I'm in a baby toy.
Now you gotta flip off at the end. Go more towards the middle. Now you're going towards the corner. That's not the middle. Get in the middle. Okay.
I'm in the middle.
No, you're not!
The middle of the pool?
Like, don't go towards the edge. Okay, there. Go. Flip off. I'm still recording, you know.
What?
I'm still recording. I'm waiting for you to flip off.